say hello to your friend. Kiwi, can say hello to your friend.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Kiwi.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years
This book called The Ugly
old.
Duckling.
Duckling.
A mother duck sat on her nest. This is the nest in the tall reeds beside a pond. There in the nest were 5 eggs. Can you count how many eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eggs. One by one, the eggs cracked open. One by one, 4 fluffy yellow ducklings appeared. Ducklings appeared that left 1 egg still in the nest, and it was bigger than the others. The mother duck waited quietly. At last, it cracked open slowly. Out tumbled a big gray duckling. What color is this duckling? What color is this duckling? It's gray. What a funny looking duckling you are, said the mother duck. He was big, gray and clumsy, but she loved him just the same. Next morning, the mother duck led the ducklings to the water, one by one. Yeah, they jumped in and were soon swimming around.